Okay, friends, today I want to show you how to using page border and watermark, and also watermark, page border, and also we color the page with Microsoft Word. Okay, so first we open our Microsoft Word. Here we go. Okay, we click blank document, double click it, and after that, okay, the first one we should color this paper. This is no color of this paper. I want to color to using in design tab. Click design, we choose page color, we color it. Okay, I want to color. You can pick more color over here, or you can custom it. Okay, I want to color this, and I will make watermark for this page. We click it in design, watermark, yeah, and then we choose custom watermark. We choose picture watermark and we select picture. And when you need an internet connection to insert online picture, we choose work offline. Okay, I want to find the picture here. Okay, you got these pictures, and then you change to auto. Auto is mean automatic, and we checklist wash out and apply, and then close. This is automatically in the middle of your paper. You can zoom in, zoom out like this. Okay, and then watermark, we make our name first. Insert shape, don't forget we choose. I prefer to using maybe this. Okay, you can change your box in whatever the shape feel you can. I will choose this one. No, I will mark color, make it little shade up here. Okay, I want to add text in this box. How to? Right click in your mouse and we choose add text, and we add down our name. And don't forget your class. You can custom this. I prefer Arial, and you can make it bold. Okay, you can underline it or italic. just like me. Okay, I got my name, and then I want to make a page border over here, just like a frame. How it works, we click in this paper first and insert, and in design we click page border and we choose in art, maybe this. I choose this and then click OK button. Okay, you got the frame. We a little bit make it small of this. Okay, if the outline, this outline is bother you, you can make it gone, this line, using click this and click format, and this is shape outline. We change to no outline. Okay, to right. Okay, and then we click, double click over here, okay. I want you to make a story. This is just an example, right? My story. This is for, okay, my story, and you can write down blah blah blah. Turn your story over here, blah 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 blah. This is just an example, so you can show up your mind. And then sample like this. And then don't forget, if you the paragraph 1 is done, you click enter button. Of course, make line over here, and you continue your writing about your story. That you enter, and then like that you enter again. Okay, the story at least one page, remember, one page full over here until over here. Okay, oops, at least. Okay, don't forget this title, make it bigger. Okay, that's all. How to make Microsoft Word. We use the design of the Microsoft Word. We use this page border and then page color, and we use watermark over here. This picture is watermark, and you add some insert shape over here and add text. Okay, that's all. This is a simple one of design in Microsoft Word using a page border, page color, watermark. I hope you understand what I'm saying about. So we see in next video. Bye bye.